G'day, let's get stuck into it because you know what? This is super easy. This is the two-step verification how-to. Look, this will make a huge difference to the hackability of your accounts, and I would encourage you to do this on all of your major accounts. So all the things like your email, your cloud storage, anything that has access to your important data. And in fact, my recommendation once you start enabling this is that you do it on everything that is enabled to do. So for example, your Dropbox, your Gmail, your Microsoft account, all of those things, and including all of your Mac accounts, they all will allow you to do this, and it is simple once you know how. So let's give you an example. This is the Dropbox one, and the link is right here. If you search for Dropbox 2FA, you will come up to this page. And it's all about enabling it in the first step. It's not done by default. So you'll see here you've got the page. We've got a couple of methods that you'll need to do. First of all, you need to enable your two-step verification. And if you sign and you come to this page, this all follows step by step, but I'll run you through it all the same. First thing, sign into your Dropbox account. Once you've signed in, you'll see that you can enable it as you've got here, and it will walk you through it. It's really, really simple. I would highly recommend that you use the second factor, which is an app on your mobile phone. The iPhone and also Android will have those apps. The Google Authenticator is probably my favorite, only because I find that pretty easy to use. But however, there's Duo and LastPass also have some really good ones. So just see what suits you. But look, the first things first is enable it and download the app on your phone. So search for Google Authenticator on your App Store and install that. Now, I'll show you here, you've got the ability to add additional factors. Okay, so now, first of all, you'll see that you'll need to use a choice of which you're going to do. You can use text messages. Now, look, for a lot of people, that's really handy because, again, you got your phone with you. If that's your second factor, great. That's better than nothing. However, it's probably the weakest of anything because you can still, for your really critical accounts, you can still get your texts intercepted. So that's no longer a really good option. However, it's still better than nothing. So I'll leave it there and let you have a choice because it's certainly convenient. But again, just remember, it's not the most secure. So I would instead, as they've got here, use the mobile app. As I said, the one I like is that. I actually have both of those, and both function beautifully well. As I said, there's others as well. So in terms of what you do is open up your mobile app. What you'll do is you'll see a security code that looks like a QR code, like we've got here. Let me just have a look. You'll see it will look just like that there. Okay, and you literally just scan it. So you add the plus key, which I'm showing you here. Once you add the plus key, you'll then have a little target base, and it will scan it and add that code to your bank, if you like, of the app. So it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to do. When you then go and log in, you'll use your username, your password that you used to. Again, that is going to be unique, hopefully, for your key things. Then you'll add it'll ask you for an extra code, and that extra code will be time-based. And you'll see on this screen here, you'll have a little time, and that just keeps rolling over and rolling over and rolling over so that no one can sort of guess those codes, and that's time synced. So it's pretty cool. It's very secure, much better than any other method, and for your key things, this is a highly recommended way of securing your data. So if you've got any databases in the cloud, if you've got access by employees or even yourself to those things, private information or key commercial information, you want to keep them secure. So that's the way you do it. I hope that's helped. Certainly hit me up for more questions, or if you're having trouble with individual accounts, ask questions. Cool. Have a great day. See ya.